For the past 30 years, I've been working in public works. I think the priority of the TAC is to have a positive impact on the lives of the residents in Pinal County from a transportation perspective. When I first started on the TAC committee, I didn't realize the program that they had in place and the opportunities for anyone to be able to interact with Pinal County staff through their project request form process that they have online, and really be able to impact what gets done and where it gets done. And you know, we're fortunate to have the staff that we do at Pinal County, the professionals that manage our transportation programs and the management of our infrastructure. They've done a great job, and I'm so proud to be part of that effort. I think I place my priority on which projects impact the most people. I'm probably most proud of getting the Treckle Road and Peters Road improvements completed, and that's Treckle Road from I-8 up to the Union Pacific Railroad, and then Peters Road from Treckle over to Choo Choo. I think it's important to ensure that when monies are spent, they're spent on the right things for the right reasons and getting good value for what we're getting out there. I think Pinal County has an opportunity to really leverage the funds from these tax revenues to really help impact those that live in this community, targeting those regional roadways of significance, making sure that they're there to support the economic development of Pinal County. You know, Pinal County plays a key role in focusing on those key connections between those metropolitan areas and the rural areas to ensure that the transportation system is in place and well maintained. It's important to understand that there's a lot of needs in both the county and the municipalities within Pinal County, and it's a difficult task to balance what those needs are. Having this tax in place for a dedicated revenue that we can use solely on transportation is key to being able to balance what those needs are. It's important for us to be able to have conversations with those entities that are looking to develop in Pinal County, to be able to communicate that we're able to support the transportation system that'll be needed to support their activities. Without those revenue streams in place, it would be very difficult for us to continue or even maintain some of the development that we're currently seeing. I think the tax is very fair. It's generating money from all those that visit our communities, travel through our communities, not just those that live in our community. So it really does help us impact that transportation in a positive way. I just hope that our community sees the importance of this revenue stream to help support, you know, maintaining our transportation system so that we can all thrive.